Transport for Wales is transforming transport for people, for places, for Wales. With annual contracts worth £50 million and £194 million to invest in station enhancements, we're encouraging small and medium enterprise businesses to join us on the journey as we enter a new and exciting era for railways in Wales and the borders.
Welcome to this Meet the Buyer event for Transport for Wales and Trafnidiaeth Cymru. It's great to have you all here today.
There's an anticipated £1 billion opportunity for Welsh SMEs. This is a project to be shared by all.
So the Wales and Borders franchise covers a huge area, both Wales but also important border regions which connect the north and south of Wales together.
It would have been easy to choose a venue in one of the major cities with a corporate feel and run by a large business, but that simply would not have met the TFW ethos of ensuring that the forthcoming tender opportunities are accessible for SMEs throughout Wales.
This has been a very interesting insight into this opportunity, which is quite exciting. We're keen to get some information on what the likely course of the next few years is to be, so we can maybe position ourselves to take a part in it.
We go out as far west as Fishguard and Pembroke. We go up as far north as Bangor and Holyhead on Anglesey. And of course we have a critical route through the borders.
Yes, so this is the first time I've been to one of these events. So the presentation was very good, as I said, very informative. I'd like now to speak with one of the buyers to gain a bit more specific information regarding the tendering process and the contracts.
So no matter where a business is in the life cycle, from startup to growth phase, established and expanding or mature, Business Wales has skills and experience and knowledge to guide and assist entrepreneurs and SMEs of all levels of growth and aspiration.
It's to support the statements you just heard in terms of the general aims of the project on behalf of the SME populations.
We've got a huge list, hundreds of items which we will need to buy, and we want to spend time getting that right. We want the right suppliers. We also want to make it as easy as possible for you to bid. So that will be all kinds of recruitment and HR services, legal services, cleaning, ancillary services such as things like stationery and all kinds of manner of different elements.
So our next steps will be to keep an eye on the tenders as they come through and look for opportunities to introduce ourselves to people involved in the wider supply chain.
And I've managed to book myself on some courses as well, which will help me then going forward to do the tendering and bidding for the tenders.